If basic troubleshooting doesn't solve the authorization issues, consider these advanced fixes. Clear the app's cache to remove potentially corrupted data. If you're using a VPN, temporarily disable it, as it can sometimes interfere with network connectivity. For push approval failures, try toggling notification settings within the app. As push notifications have grown 25% since 2023, it is important to keep up with push notification best practices. Looking ahead, Tesco Bank plans to integrate AI-driven diagnostics for auto-fixing authorization issues, potentially reducing support queries significantly. Also, keep an eye out for hybrid authentication methods, combining push and OTP to combat phishing threats. While the Tesco Bank app is generally robust, operating system updates can occasionally trigger compatibility issues. If problems started after an iOS or Android update, check for known issues reported by other users or consult Tesco's support resources. User vigilance and proactive app maintenance are essential for a smooth banking experience.